In today's video, I'll show you how to fix SSL not working in Webflow. If SSL isn't working, the issue is usually related to your SSL settings or DNS configuration, not the website itself. Here's what to check. First, enable SSL inside Webflow. Go to your project settings, open the hosting tab, and check your custom domain. Make sure SSL is enabled. Once turned on, your site will load with HTTPS instead of HTTP, which adds a secure certificate to protect visitors. SSL, the S in HTTPS, confirms that your site is secure and trusted by browsers. Without it, users may see a not secure warning. Second, verify your domain and DNS settings. If SSL is enabled but still not working, make sure your domain is properly connected and your DNS records are correctly set up. If your domain provider doesn't include a free SSL certificate, you can connect your domain to Cloudflare, which offers free SSL. Simply add your domain to Cloudflare, update your DNS name servers, and enable their SSL feature. Lastly, clear your browser cache or test the site on another device to rule out local issues. And that's it. That's how you fix SSL not working in Webflow.